Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Check it out. I have a giant mess on my hands right here. I have got all of my fall and Christmas hand sanitizers. I have got pillow mist. I have got concentrated room spray. And I have a couple of car fragrances. And I want to actually organize this giant mess into a container I just bought, and I'm going to show you what I did and how it turned out. So hang on. I'm actually sitting here on the other side of my desk. I have my filming area right here. Here's my background. Then I have a table next to me. And what I did was I bought this rack from Amazon. It was $25 and they come in purple, silver, and I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to put into it when I bought it, but now that I have the rack in front of me, I decided what I'm going to do is organize my hand sanitizers on top, and then on the bottom, I'm going to put my concentrated room sprays and my pillow mist. So here's what I'm going to do. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with the holder, so I'm just going to set those aside. But what I like about this is I kind of measured it and they all fit perfectly. So I'm going to sort these by scent categories because I have a lot of them together. So here's champagne, apple, and honey. These are some fall ones. There's pumpkin cupcake. Here is sweet cinnamon pumpkin. We've got the snowy peach berry. That's Christmas. Crisp morning air. So what I'm going to do is I think I have 5 of each of a lot of these. I've got vampire blood. I've got there's champagne apple and honey. I'm going to set that one there. There's a Christmas one. This is fresh sparkling snow. Let's see. Oh, I have some strawberry pound cakes. I don't know where I'm going to put those. I'm going to set those right here. Actually, I might put these on the end because they're a little bit more springy. So what I did was I sped that up because it would take literally forever to put all these in here. But as you can see, all of them are neatly in this case. And what I like about this is that they all fit perfectly. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a row. And then what I did on the end here is you can put 2 rows of the triangles. Now, I'm actually going to cut back on my PocketBac consumption in 2021. Mostly what I use these for is I set them out for our essential workers like the mail carriers and the delivery drivers. I have a box because I found I actually use these a lot more than the PocketBacs. And in the store, I'll take the spray as opposed to the PocketBac a little bit more. I do have one of these on my purse, but I don't use these as much as I used to. I'll probably get any that I really like that are kind of cute, but I just wanted to show you now how, see if I can do this with one hand. I'm actually going to set this down. I'm holding my camera in one hand, so I have to lift this up. And then as you can see, this fits really nicely on this top shelf, so you can just pull it out if you need a PocketBac. In here, I am actually going to organize my concentrated room sprays. I'm going to go through these because I do have not as many of these as I do the PocketBac. So let's see, spiced gingerbread. I think I'm going to put my Christmas ones on the end here. Start with Christmas. Fall. Maybe I'll go by season. So we've got pumpkin cupcake. We have got, let's see, what is this one? Pumpkin pecan waffles. This one is black cherry merlot. That's kind of a spring one. All occasion. Japanese cherry blossom. That is spring. So I'll do fall. I'll do winter, and then I'll do spring here. white gardenia. You can tell my mom wanted those. Christmas Merry cookie. And then I'm going to make sure these are all neat in here. Hot cocoa and cream. That is Christmas. I'm actually going to do these by size in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, the pillow mists are actually a little bit bigger, so they're going to go in the back. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of push these up here. Here are the winter ones, and then fall. Because I do use these year-round. Pumpkin cupcake. What is this one? Oh, vanilla bean. That's a good one for spring. This is sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Let's see. Crushed candy cane. What else do I have in here? Oh, this is one from Goose Creek. Check that out. I'll have to find a place for that. My strawberry pound cake right here. So these actually fit really nicely in here. Fresh balsam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my Christmas ones up here a little bit. And then I'm going to put those right there. What else do I have in here? I have holiday. Because, you know, you keep buying these and they last forever. So I like the fact that I can store these in a bin. The Perfect Christmas. I do have a lot of holiday ones. Winter Candy Apple. So that's going to go right there. And then, is that it? Oh, I got one more. I got a Christmas one here. So let me see if I actually, oh no. Check it out, you guys. I have one extra. That's okay. I think I can, oh, wait, no, I don't. What's this? Oh, I have another white gardenia. Oh my goodness. So let's move this way. This is like playing Tetris. We'll do that. And then we'll put that one back here. Did I get all of them? I think I got all of them. So look at that. How perfect is that to put these in this little bin? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pillow mist. I've got ylang-ylang. I've got peppermint. I have got the lavender. I've got an energy. Oh my gosh, these fit perfectly, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Absolutely perfect the way these fit. Look at, I have a cocoa shea cucumber. This is actually a body mist, I think. I don't know. It's the same size though. That one in there. I have a bergamot. I have a stress relief. I have a Zen garden. And then I have a relax. I'm just going to set the cocoa shea there. And then I have a lavender aromatherapy oil. So check that out. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to put the car fragrance in here. I actually was thinking about it, but now that I've got this in here, I don't think I'm going to do that. I am going to stick the Goose Creek in here though. I would like to possibly buy a couple more of the room sprays and the pillow mists this year. So I think I'm just going to leave this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slot this one in here. Hold on. I got this slotted in here. How perfect is this? Oh my goodness, you guys. Check it out. I'm going to put this in my dining room on a shelf. So that way, if I need a hand sanitizer, I hand these out, like I said, to the essential workers. I have a box out front. I can just replace them as I need them in the box. And then what I can do is, when I need to find fragrance mist, all I have to do is reach in here and grab my favorite. I might get a couple new ones for spring, but I really do not want to overfill this. That's one thing I like about storage units. Your stash doesn't get too large. So you basically say, okay, I'm going to own, I don't know, 25, 30 of the concentrated room sprays, and then once you use one, you can replace it and buy another one. But I really love having everything neat and at my fingertips. So let me know what you think of this the storage unit. Thank you so much for watching. I will have more of these videos coming up soon. Bye-bye.